Hi everyone, so this is just a little update regarding the motor controller project. So a lot of the parts have arrived, but I'm still waiting on a few things, and these are the printed circuit boards. Now these are 4-layer and they were pretty expensive, and I got it done just with GLC PCB, and as you can see they do look very good. I'm very impressed with the quality so far. So I could try and give some sort of a closer view of it, though it's not easy. Like, as you can see, it's actually looking very, very good. They limit you to the thinnest traces possible are 0.25 millimeters, so you can see a 0.25 millimeter trace. I think in the middle of the image, the ones around the chip are 0.3. I try to make them as thick as possible usually, but I don't know, they might even they limit you to that. I think you could make them smaller, but it throws a DRC error, but I think they might still let you try and manufacture it. You might actually, I reckon they could maybe, judging by looking at that, you could maybe get 0.19 millimeter traces. So overall it does look very good. I'll show you what else I got with it. So that there is the stencil for applying the solder paste. So you would have the board, I think it would go this way, and this would be placed on top and secured somehow. I probably should have designed some sort of way to have holes, and you could just put some sort of pegs in it to hold it secure. But as you can see, it's not exactly easy to line up, especially the very fine pins on that main chip there. As you can see, that's going to be very challenging to solder, to line everything up properly. But my way of soldering it, I don't know what everyone's thoughts are. I don't have a reflow oven yet, but I was thinking about having the board. Well, I'd apply the solder paste, place every single component, and put it on top of a hot plate at, say, maybe 120 degrees Celsius, and then have my temperature controlled hot air gun, just wave that over it and just very slowly heat it up over a period of maybe 2 minutes or something like that, and solder it that way. I know my battery management systems, I soldered them with a hot air gun, and they went not too badly at all. But yeah, that's extremely thin. I'm not sure if that will apply enough paste or not, but I'm sure it'll apply enough to stick everything down, and anything that needs more paste I can always add more solder quite easily. So that's looking quite promising. I've not come across any problems yet, but I think the problems are more likely to start when we have everything put together and I'm trying to program this and get the software on it and get it running. So yeah, that's where we're up to now, and I should hopefully have a working prototype within, I don't know, the next, realistically, 2 months.